This guy is probably taking notes because
My sword is yours.
this is hilarious. Look at this bird. Oh my god. What? It's because I gave a trick shot to the Highland Sharpshooter. And the Highland Sharpshooter is wearing a helmet. The helmet of war. Oh, nice. I love this. I love this one. But it will not help him at all. This is just too mean. Alright. It's almost game over. Let's hit him 2 more times or something. Maybe he blocks. Yeah, he blocks. Doesn't matter. Trick shot. Trick shot is so good. Oh.
I stand ready.
Drives him back!
Hopefully he will not play a... No, he can't. He cannot even harsh rule. This is brutal. This is so nice. Look at the stats. 4-2, that's nothing. Good game. But the trick shot, wow.